Um, Surprisingly, the original magic ghost number cube, where the magic hybrid number cube originates from, is a lot more difficult to solve for the complete numeration of the cube um, versus the magic hybrid number cube. And I've shown that in the past few videos how I found a complete um, method to solve for the numeration without the cube to give you telltale signs, I guess. But uh, with this is the only relationship that I can think of, and it leaves um, six spaces, six numbers that you can't find an origin, you can't find their position for. I mean, theoretically, you can. Well, on a magic ghost number cube of this type, because it has vectors going down, down, up, and down, and this is different from all the rest. This is like a magic hybrid number cube, except this is a central ghost number, not a central real number. You can't add 121 to get 4. It's a ghost number. It's made up of the combination of the addition of all these primary numbers. But this is the only relationship, the method that I can find, and it goes like this. First, you start out with the primary numbers, and those are the numbers that you can select at random. I chose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you look at the cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they add up on both sides using the commutative property 5, 7, and 9 on both sides. Then you do a combination of 1, 2, and 3, and it comes out to be 3, 4, and 5. And the orientations of 3, 4, and 5 to 9, 10, 11, which when added, which when these numbers are added, 4, 5, and 6 gives 9, 10, and 11. It gives 12 on both sides. For these are the numerations spaces for the secondary numbers. And you flip this over, going across the cube. You flip it over. These is another component of this method, and it starts out, you start by the middle number and you go up to this number and you add, you get 6, radiates out, going down, and it comes back around. These are the numbers that cross this way, and there's they radiate to these numbers. And lastly, you can only come up with one inner ghost number pair for the diagonal. Theoretically, there is another method. You can get 36 on down, but that's just like a magic hybrid number cube. And that's the only reason that a magic hybrid number cube works, is that it has this structure of the inner ghost numbers. It's typical, or not typical, but it is a typical type of structure. 18 going down to 45, 27 going down 36, 27 going down 36, 27 going up to 36. This is a very special type of inner ghost number structure. The inner ghost numbers are purple, by the way. And so this is the method, the closest method I can come to solving for the complete numeration of a magic ghost number cube, which is harder than a magic hybrid number cube. Well, I think that's about it. Well, these are the papers I did trying to figure it all out. I had 3 different examples. I should show that, I guess, if I have the time on this thing. Here's where this radiation comes out. Radiating comes out from right here is 4, right here is 5, down here is 4, back here is 2, 3. I can't see that too well. And then it radiates out past around here. That's the radiation from here. And that's shown up here in one of these descriptions, one of these problems I had to figure out. 48. And then this is another one of these magic ghost number cubes where this same rule applies. Well, I hope that explains it enough, and I'll put a description, try to describe it even further in the description. Thanks a lot.